Hey guys, it's our birthday today, and we're at Disneyland, and you're coming with us. This is my friend Nicole, and she's coming with us to Disneyland today. She's the Disneyland expert. She knows all about Disneyland, and it's supposed to be so much fun. So we'll see you guys with us. Let's go.
What's up, vlog? How you guys doing? We're at Disneyland.
This is Rona. He's hilarious. He's the best.
I am the best. Thank you guys.
Space is crazy. There's no gravity. It's intense. Guys, that's us. Right now we're going to Star Wars Land. We're gonna go on one of the rides there. Last time we came here was like 5 years ago. So we're about to go check it out. Let you guys come along and see how it's like. Yeah. You guys, we just tried Blue Milk, and I just want to warn you guys, if you guys have a gift card, they literally like robbed Nina's money. Yeah, okay? Guys, they took my money. I had a $50 gift card. It said $50, and they like put it through the laptop, came back as $0, and they basically took all my money. The Blue Milk wasn't even that good, so that sucks. So hopefully she'll get her money back. It's $50. We're gonna get some decent treats around here.
I think they totally should give your money back.
Guys, we're literally first on this ride.
We're literally first on Thunder Mountain right now.
First on Thunder Mountain. We'll see how it goes. I haven't been in this ride in years, so hopefully it's not that bad.
Yeah.
The danger. Let's just go to the danger. Yeah! That was crazy. Woo! 10 out of 10! Yeah. I'm going in the very front! We're going to Splash Mountain right now. I'm so scared. We're gonna get soaked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get a whole video. And I'm scared. Woo! About to get soaked. Let's go!
What?
About to get soaked. Let's go! I've never been in front. I'm gonna get soaked. I'm scared. There's a bit of da-da-da-do. Yeah. Did you guys? I didn't sign up for this. I'm in front. I'm about to get soaked on Splash Mountain. That drop right there. What do you think?
So good.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Nicole?
Super good, you guys. I definitely recommend it. And look at this view we got.
What? So pretty.
We live in right now. We vibe in.
Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance. Yes, right, you got my one there. All right, here. Thanks, everybody.
That was really fun. That was so fun. Guardians of the Galaxy.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater, come on! Probably just a bad spark plug.
Radiator Springs
Champion needs speed.
and style.
Luigi, you're a Ranger man. Like a real.
It takes more than new tires